Oh my fucking god, how many times do we have to fucking record this? Okay, source code is right here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Top level unit test functions. This is the unit test we've been working on. We've already tested this lookup table. Now we're gonna test this lookup table. Let's go down here. Okay, these variables, vars, data jumper, you're gonna have to pause here and you're gonna have to read these yourself because I don't got fucking time for this, okay? Let's scroll down here. We got this triply nested loop. We're gonna loop through every single room index and then every single adjacent offset. We're gonna convert that adjacent offset into a one-dimensional value called an AR9 for adjacent room, of which there are 9 indexes, 0 to 8 inclusive. We're going to use this lookup table right here. Seek to the correct record, seek to the correct column in that record, and now we have data pixel index from our lookup table. We need to cross-check that. But before we cross-check it, we need to set up some preconditions and make sure they're correct. So right here, we're using the lookup table that we already know is correct and getting out the adjacent room to the current room we're inside. If hand calculate is turned on by default, we're going to get the R4X, R4Y cell value for this adjacent room using this formula. And then if we are out of bounds, we expect the data pixel index to be a trap value. If it's not, we throw an error. We turn hand calculation off. If we are in bounds, 0 to 12 inclusive, then we're in a valid room. We're going to use this lookup table to get a check value for our R4X, R4Y, and if it doesn't match, then we're going to throw an error. Then we're going to get where are we coming from, right? R13 to R4X and R4Y, right? Where are we coming from? We're going to make a vector that points from to here, and then we're going to take A through X, A through Y, make it into a positive or negative or 0 value, and then we're going to take this check value and check it against the vector we created and throw an error if the vectors don't match. And then right here, if hand calc is turned on, we're going to do the hand calculations here, now that we know our preconditions are all set up correctly. And then here, we're throwing an error because we're not done, okay? So if you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here. I do not have time to explain any further than that here. My name's Kanji Coder. I am making a Bomberman game engine from scratch, and I'm turning it into MMO. So I'm also writing server code in addition to rendering code. Like and subscribe. My name's Kanji Coder.